Sage.
This is a test of the West Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an actual emergency, this system would bring you important information. This concludes this statewide required monthly test.
I need to turn that monitor down. It's severely clipping. I didn't have the Bearcat plugged in, so I didn't know this was happening until just now when it, relayed. But I can show off the cassette system I've rigged up. Get an instant replay of that. That's a little fluttery.
This is a test of the West Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an
actual emergency, this system would bring you
important information. This concludes this statewide required monthly test.
Now it's reconnected. I've got the attention detect. Well, I've got the attention detect relay on the end deck mapped from attention detect to push to talk. So as a result, I also have a cable connected from that relay to the remote input of the cassette recorder. So that relay will close when an alert is being sent. It's meant to drive an external audio switch like what you'd need to use with a TFT. But instead I've got that recorded and I have the line out, the speaker line out terminal on the end deck connected to the input on the cassette recorder. So as a result, I get an automatic recording of any alert that gets retransmitted through the end deck.